In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your journal with other people that you've created on our Mahara site. So you've created your journal, but you want to submit that or share it with other people. Remember, in Mahara, you can share pages, you can share collections. So in this instance, we're going to create a page and simply put the journal block on a Mahara page and then share that page. It's very simple. It sounds confusing, but I'll walk you through it. So what you're going to do is you're going to select Pages under Portfolio, and you're going to create a new page. You'll probably want to call this the name of your course. In this case, I'm calling it EdTech 542 because that class requires that you create a reflective journal, and I'll call it Reflective Journal. And you'll probably want to include some sort of description here, a short description, maybe one sentence. You can tag your page. You can select how you want your name to show up. I would suggest selecting your full name, not just your first name or your last name, your full name if you can. And then select Save. So you've created a page on Mahara, and now all you're going to do is add a journal block. By default, you have 3 columns on Mahara. Get rid of 2. Just click the little X button to remove a column. So we have 1 column now on this new Mahara page that we've called EdTech 542 Reflective Journal. And we're just going to add a journal block to this page. This essentially embeds your journal, but you would write to your journal. This page just shows your journal. So we're going to, not a journal entry, but we're going to add the journal. Well, if you have several journals, and in this case you probably do because I created another journal besides the default journal, this block will show up. You can set a block title if you want. You can just leave that blank. But as you can see here, I have 2 journals, my default journal and my EdTech 542 journal. That's the one I want to display on this page. You probably are going to be writing more than 5 journal entries, so just enter any number, 20 or whatever, and all of those will show up on one page. However, I'm not sure, maybe another page would show up. You probably would go to another page, so you might want to keep it at 5 or 10. Let's make it 10. Okay. Then what you want to do is skip all this stuff and simply select Save. This will save the journal block to this page. And as you can see, here are the 2 posts that I created. Very interesting posts for this particular journal. So as you know, you can display the page, look at the page here and see it. And as you add content through your journal, remember you're going to access your journal through Content Journals. As you add entries, all of that new content will display on this page. You have to do one more thing, and that is you have to share the page. Remember, you always have to share pages, otherwise no one can see them except you. So what we're going to do is we're going to say Shared by Me under Portfolio because you're going to share this page. You're going to go to a share screen. Collections comes first. You'll select Pages. And let's look for that. Here it is. Here's my EdTech 542 Reflective Journal. I'm going to select this little lock called Edit Access. You can share this with the public in Mahara, so select General and Public. You'll also get an RSS feed by doing this too, so it's way cool. And select Save. So let's look at this now. Let's look at our page. And now you can see we have an RSS feed. So you actually have a feed too that you could share with your instructor if you wanted to. But up here, this is going to be the URL that you would share with your instructor or classmates because this is a public URL now. If I'm logged out, let me just go ahead and copy that. And I'm going to log out of Mahara to prove to you what it looks like. So I'm going to log out. Then I'm going to paste that URL, that link to your journal. There we go. And there we go. It's there. It shows up and it's to the public. Anybody can view this. And as you add content to your journal, people can select these links and they can view the individual posts that you made. I hope this video shows you how to create a journal in Mahara, how to add the journal block to a page in Mahara, and how to share that page. If you need help with this, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm always available.